In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a hexagon in Figma, and we'll do this together in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just dipping your toes into the world of digital design, this guide will help you efficiently create hexagons without any hassle. Let's get started. First, make your way over to Figma. You may have heard of it. It's the collaborative interface design tool that has taken the design world by storm. Once you're there, if you haven't logged in already, go ahead and do so. Figma's login process is straightforward, and if you have an account, you can access all your previous designs and start new projects with ease. After logging in, navigate to the home section of your Figma workspace. This is where you'll find an overview of your recent files and shared projects. It's essentially your hub for navigating through Figma's features. From here, click on the Design tab. This is where the magic happens, your canvas and toolbox for creating incredible designs. Next, let's get into the fun part. Look for the polygon tool in your toolbox. It typically looks like a small hexagon or triangle, and it's quite intuitive to use. Once you've found it, click on it to select the tool. This tool is perfect for creating a variety of shapes, including our focus today, the hexagon. Now with the polygon tool active, click on your canvas. You'll see a shape appear, usually a triangle at first. Don't worry, we will quickly transform this into a hexagon. Click on any side of the shape and drag to resize it. As you drag, you should see handles or controls that allow you to modify the shape further. Here's an important step, adjusting the corner count. On the Figma interface, while you have the polygon selected, look for an option to change the corner count, usually found in the properties panel on the right hand side. Increase this number to 6, which will configure the shape into a perfect hexagon. And just like that, in a few simple steps, you've created a hexagon. Remember, the beauty of design tools like Figma is the flexibility and creativity they offer. You can resize your hexagon, change its colors, or even add gradients and effects to make it pop in your designs. Don't be afraid to experiment with these and see what works best for your project. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to create hexagons in Figma. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep exploring and designing, and I'll see you next time with more tips and tricks to enhance your creative projects.